First, let me introduce Assembleon to all of you, the main components of the feeder analyzer. This is the Assembleon feeder, the main part of the feeder analyzer. This is the main unit. There is also a regular computer monitor and a regular keyboard and mouse. There are also 2 power cords, ordinary ones. And we have 2 connecting cables here. In a moment, I will explain to you how it is installed. This cable of the Assembleon analyzer is called PCN. This cable, this end of the female header, is connected to this location of the host computer. The male end of our cable, male, and the excess of an end connect to the CAN end of the analyzer. The RS232 cable of the Assembleon analyzer. This is the PC side. We insert it in this position. This female is the analyzer side. We insert it here. The mouse and keyboard of the analyzer. The USB interfaces at the front and back of the computer can be installed. This is the computer, which is the analyzer, and the monitor cable. We install it in this position. For our analyzer, the host doesn't need to be turned on. It will automatically turn on after connecting to power. Now our computer has displayed the main unit and display of the Assembleon analyzer. After connecting to the computer, it is not necessary. The host doesn't need to be turned on. It will automatically start automatically. We are now entering our, please move the camera to this angle. This username is super user. And the password is the same. And the password is also super user. And the username, the password and the username are the same. Let's press OK now. We are now entering the analyzer's usage interface.